Good evening. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Blueprint and I'm Hina Gambhir. The top focus continues to be the latest as far as Augusta Westland scam is concerned. As Christian Michel viewers and his subcontractor Sushen Gupta sing in custody, the explosive ED charge sheet accessed by Times Now reveals just who is AP and FAM, bringing the kickback trail to the doorstep of a Gandhi loyalist. The ED in the PMLA court has said, and I quote, the recipients of the kickback include several categories of persons, namely Air Force officials, bureaucrats, including Defence Ministry officials and some top political leaders of the then ruling party. Unquote. Now, as per Christian Michel, James, AP means Ahmed Patel and FAM means family. Patel, in fact, today finally broke his silence and called the allegations completely fabricated. While, on the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi cited Times Now's news break to attack the Congress party on the Augusta revelations.
कोर्ट में एक चार्जशीट दायर की गई है। मैं मीडिया में देख रहा था कि हेलीकॉप्टर घोटाले के दलालों ने जिन लोगों को घूस देने की बात कही है, उनमें से एक एपी है, एपी, और दूसरा एफएम है, फेम। इसी चार्जशीट में कहा गया है कि एपी का मतलब है अहमद पटेल और एफएम का मतलब है फैमिली। अब आप मुझे बताइए, आप तो अहमद पटेल का नाम सुना है ना, जानते हो ना, यहां जो पहले मुख्यमंत्री थे उनके खासम खास है। अब मुझे बताइए, ये अहमद पटेल भाई किस फैमिली के निकट है, किस फैमिली से निकट है?
So Modi named Sonia Aide is our top focus. In the next half an hour, we will of course be discussing this. Joining us on the broadcast is Nupur Sharma, spokesperson of the BJP. We have with us Shujat Ali, who is spokesperson Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, and also Ashutosh Mishra, who is a senior journalist. Good evening to all of you. Ashutosh Mishra, let me begin with you. What has happened in the last 48 hours is significant and startling at the same time. There is clarity on who is AP, what is FAM, but we still don't know what is RG. Now, do you think this Augusta Westland scam is Congress party's second Bofors?
It's just an effort by Mr. Modi to divert attention from the corruption charges heaped on him by Rahul Gandhi when he said Chaukidar Chor hai in case of Rafale scam. Christian Michel himself today has filed a plea in the court that how has this detail been leaked to media even before the court has had a look at it, and he has denied all the charges that are being made, that he has said that AP is Ahmed Patel, etc. So this is just sort of witch hunting of a desperate man who is trying to clutch his straws. Mr. Modi obviously no longer wants to talk about Achhe Din and Vikas. And in his desperation, now we are back to those. He had, if you remember, this Michelle Mama jibe he had taken during the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh polls also, and he had the voters at that time had rejected all this, and I am sure that he will face similar problems in these elections also. So this is just a diversionary tactic so that people don't talk about the joblessness, the corruption in Modi government, farmers' distress, etc.
Before I go across to...
Yet has to stand...
All right. So before I go across to Nupur Sharma for a response on what you have said, Ashutosh Mishra, I have another question for you and I want you to respond quickly to that. So if you feel that this is indeed the diversionary tactic of the BJP, of Prime Minister Modi to take the focus away from issues like jobs, agrarian crisis, etc., then why does opposition fall into this kind of a trap of the BJP again and again? why don't the opposition, leaders in the opposition continue to attack the government on these key issues? Why do they get rattled? Suddenly, we have something out from the Augusta Westland scam.
Nobody is rattled. Rahul Gandhi still talks about the minimum income scheme that he is going to offer. He still talks about what his security vision is about India. He still meets those youngsters in, today it was in Pune and days before it was in Chennai. His focus remains on that. And it's actually just the BJP.
Then these kind of things shouldn't really bother people in the Congress party. Nupur Sharma, I want you to come in on this point. Is this the new credibility crisis that has hit the Congress party, which has been continuously calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi Chaukidar Chor hai?
You know, isn't it a bit unfortunate that all small people with big mouths actually open their big mouths to utter absolute trash? And that's exactly what I've been hearing for the past 10 minutes, to use the kind of adjectives that have been used by, I don't know who the senior journalist is, without an iota of investigative journalism to his credit, is going on abusing the Honorable Prime Minister of the country. Having said that, it's a bit rich that in January 2014, when UPA was in power, allow me to complete. Allow me, please keep your crap to yourself. Keep your rubbish to yourself. You are making personal remarks on
all right. Let's have a civil debate. Let's have a civil debate. Ashutosh Mishra, 1 second. Both of you, please calm down. Please calm down. It's a very, very important issue that we are discussing. Both of you, please calm down.
Is that not using an adjective?
1 second. 1 second.
I'm sorry. Allow me to come in. How are you?
1 second. Let's show respect towards each other. Please, both of you. 1 second. Faders down, please, for both of them. Nupur Sharma, let's have respect for the other guest as well. You may not agree with his views, but that doesn't mean you'll say who's this journalist, doesn't know investigation, etc. Let's show some respect. Ashutosh Mishra, please. Now let's calm down. Nupur Sharma, please make your point.
Let's also show some respect to the country's Prime Minister and avoid calling him desperate. I wish you had issued the same sermons to this so-called journalist.
I'm doing that, Nupur Sharma. That's precisely why I asked the other question. 1 second, Nupur Sharma. Of course, I asked the other question. Who is feeling rattled at this point in time? Let's talk about Augusta Westland scam. Go ahead.
Can I now make my point? Please. And I hope that you showed some neutrality at the very beginning. Now, having said that, isn't it a bit rich? In January 2014, this VVIP chopper deal was dropped by the Congress party, which was in power that time, because of allegations of corruption. Congress was in power that time. Isn't it a bit rich? In 2013, during multiple raids in Europe, in certain countries in Europe, papers were found with the same kind of abbreviations which are now on paper in the charge sheet filed before the Honorable Special Court in Patiala House Court. The same abbreviations, Mrs. G, some big person called R, who's going to be the next Prime Minister, RG, Mrs. SG, and so on and so forth, and AP and the family. These same abbreviations were found in the search seizures and in the evidence collected in 2013. So much so that in June 2016, the first charge sheet was filed against Mr. Christian Michel. People who are unaware and come on television to blabber off obviously should do their homework first. Is it not a bit rich? In 2014, 15 and 16, the Italian courts went to town about the kind of bribes that exchange hands, running into thousands and millions of euros between Christian Michel and certain politically well-connected family and bureaucrats and so on and so forth in India. I'm sorry, this is a scam with its roots and investigation during the UPA era. Obviously, the law is going to catch up. Those family members who are already out on bail in a National Herald scam worth 5,000 crore.
Ashutosh wants to respond quickly, then I'll go across to Shujat Ali. Yes.
Of evading taxes has a lot to answer for. And Ashutosh, I don't know who you are, but you know what? Show some respect to the country's Prime Minister. Otherwise, you'll get back in kind. Trust me.
Ashutosh Mishra, yes.
The thing is, people who make Hina, the problem is that people who make a living out of blabbering on TV have obviously not been watching Times Now. which showed
I'm sorry, sir.
How is it even related to what we are discussing? How is this even related to what we all are discussing? Shujat Ali, fade us down for both of them. Shujat Ali, the point is, why question everything that the ED is doing here? The charge sheet is making some revelations. Why question that? Why say every time somebody in the Congress party is named as nothing but witch hunting?
First of all, I would like to inform you that one of your, guest coordinator told me that today's discussion is on a particular subject. But when I came here, the subject was changed. Anyway, I would like to tell that these cases are bogus, and every case is being opened to get the political mileage out of all these cases. What happened to Bofors? It was a big, bluff. Then the 2G, that was also a big bluff. So this government is taking advantage of all the so-called cases for election benefits. Prime Minister Modi should not talk all small things in public meetings. What message you are giving? The military secret should not be disclosed to the people. He is coming and telling to the people that we have done this and we have done that. This is not fair for the Prime Minister of this country. So Augusta also will be a bubble, nothing but bubble.
Nupur wants to respond. Yes, Nupur.
Then what? Then please enlighten us. What were Rafale documents doing with Robert Vadra's best friend Sanjay Bhandari when he was raided? Very confidential papers relating to defense deals of the Defense Ministry were found on a nobody. I'm sorry, Congress has a lot to answer for, and now since the news is tightening, all of you are running helter-skelter. The fact is that if you have anything against the Prime Minister, go to the court. You have nothing except for your non-stop blabbering and nuisance spreading. And Mr. Shujat Ali, this is not for you, this is for Mr. Ashutosh. Mr. Ashutosh, I still practice law. I don't roam like a psychopath at the feet of the Gandhi family. That's the difference between my profession and your profession. And there you get personal again with me or the Prime Minister again. I am actually warning you. Enough of your nonsense on national television.
That's your way. You earn your make a living. That's why you come here and
Prime Minister.
What kind of an argument is this? What kind of an argument is this, Ashutosh Mishra? I'm sorry, I'm not going to allow something like this on the show. I'm sorry, I'm not going to allow these kind of arguments on the show. We are discussing something which is very, very important. Augusta Westland, the people of this country are feeling cheated today, and here we have panelists who are just targeting each other. I'm sorry, this is not what we are here to discuss. There are some startling revelations that have been made in the ED charge sheet.
Not to get personal about the Prime Minister.
I'm asking both of you to exercise restraint, please. I'm asking both of you. I'm asking both of you to exercise restraint. Nupur, I have heard your point. Nupur, I have heard your point. I am asking both of you to exercise restraint. All right, all right. Now, I want Ashutosh Mishra to please tell us, why is the Congress party rattled today? Why is Mr. Ahmed Patel saying that this is all fabricated? Why can't he trust an institution like the Enforcement Directorate, which has been working on this case in so long?
So, Hina, Congress will have to answer for itself, but to a common man or to a man with common sense, it is very obvious that what is happening here is misuse of Enforcement Directorate. Everybody knows that a person is innocent unless proven guilty in the court of law.
So, taking that point of yours, I have another argument. Ashutosh Mishra, in the Rafale case as well, nothing really has been proved against the Prime Minister of this country. Why does Rahul Gandhi keep on saying Chaukidar chor hai for Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Rafale matter then? Going by the argument that you have just now made for Augusta Westland, shouldn't the same thing apply to the Rafale case as well?
Yeah. So in case of Rafale, if you remember, this government purposely filed an affidavit with typo, and that has been accepted that there was a typo. So that case is still pending in the court. The court has not given any clearance, and the court has said that there are many issues raised by political parties which it is incapable of taking up.
I'm
And those
completely
things
out
are
of
is what Rahul
time.
Gandhi
I'm sorry,
says can be
Nupur, I'm
considered
completely
only
out
by
of
JP.
time, but there is...
No, I'm sorry. How can you allow that? The Supreme Court has not issued any stay on its order. You
All
cannot
right.
allow nonsense, absolute
All
false
right.
statements on television.
I
I'm
am
sorry, Hina.
completely-
The Supreme Court has not stayed its order. The Supreme Court has found that there is no need for investigation. And Mr. Shujat Ali, the airstrike on Balakot was announced by Pakistan, not by the Indian Prime Minister. Do you guys not read before coming on national television? Really?
All right. All right. I'll have to wind up this debate now. Thank you very much, all of you, for the moment, for joining us here on the broadcast. This story is just getting bigger. We'll see how the Congress party really responds to this today. Ahmed Patel, whose name has come in the charge sheet, is something that Christian Michel has now said. He says that the entire matter is fabricated. We will, of course, be tracking this closely ahead as well. Thank you very much, Nupur Sharma, Ashutosh Mishra and Shujat Ali for joining us on the broadcast.